The greatest common factor between x fourth and 2x cubed is x cubed. When we factor out x cubed, we are left with x plus 2. The rational expression becomes x cubed times x plus 2 divided by x plus 2. We can cross out x plus 2, and our answer is x cubed if x is different from negative 2. X squared minus x minus 6 can be factored as x minus 3 times x plus 2. Negative 3 times positive 2 is negative 6. Negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. X squared is the greatest common factor between x cubed and 3x squared. And we are left with x minus 3. X minus 3 over x minus 3 is 1. We can cross them out. And our final answer is x plus 2 over x squared. The GCF between 2 and 8 is 2. Between x cubed and x squared is x squared. We factor out 2x squared, we are left with x plus 4. The GCF between 3 and 12 is 3. X squared and x is just x. And we factor out 3x, we are left with x plus 4. X plus 4 over x plus 4 is 1. And x squared over x is x. So our answer is 2x over 3 times 1 over 1, which is 2x over 3. X squared minus 4 is factored as x plus 2 times x minus 2. X squared plus 4x plus 4 is a perfect square. Is x plus 2 times x plus 2. And x plus 2 over x plus 2 is 1. Therefore, in reduced form, the expression is x minus 2 over x plus 2. We cannot cancel x squared because x squared is a term and not a factor of the numerator and denominator. You can only remove factors that are common to both the numerator and the denominator of a rational expression. Multiplication and division. Multiplication and division. First, let's multiply these two rational expressions. We're going to factor the numerator of the first rational expression. X squared plus 3x plus 2 is x plus 2 times x plus 1. We're going to factor the denominator, x times x squared plus 3. Multiplied by, we're going to factor the numerator of the second rational expression. 2x times x squared plus 3 over x squared plus x minus 2 is x plus 2 times x minus 1. Now we're going to cross cancel. X plus 2 over x plus 2 is 1. We're left with x plus 1 over x minus 1. And x squared plus 3 over x squared plus 3 is 1. X over x is also 1. We're left with 2. The answer is 2 times x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. Division is the same as multiplication by the reciprocal. So we keep the numerator and we flip the denominator. We multiply it by the reciprocal of the denominator. The first rational expression can be factored as 3x, and we're going to associate positive 4 with 3x and negative 1 with x, so that the sum is positive 11x. So we have 3x minus 1 times x plus 4. 8x squared is the greatest common factor of the denominator, and the other factor is x minus 5. The greatest common factor is 4x cubed, and the numerator is 4x cubed times x minus 5. Greatest common factor between 3 and 12 is 3, and we're left with x plus 4. We're going to cross cancel before we multiply. X plus 4 over x plus 4 is 1. X minus 5 over x minus 5 is 1. We're left with 3x minus 1 over 3. Now 4 goes into it twice, into itself once, and x squared goes into x cubed x time. Final answer is x times 3x minus 1, and 2 times 3 will be 6.